Father of different field names. Father of modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Father of Republic of India, B.R. Ambedkar. Father of Missile Program, APJ Abdul Kalam. Father of comic books, Anant Pai. Father of Space Program, Vikram Sarabhai. Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Father of Cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke. Father of Blue Revolution, Dr. Arun Krishnan and Hiralal Chaudhary. Father of Gold Revolution, Nirpak Tuteja. Father of White Revolution, Varghese Kurian. Father of Linguistic Democracy, Potti Sriramulu. Father of Silver Revolution, Indira Gandhi. And Father of Indian Railways, Lord Dalhousie.